Hey Unstoppables, right now we have this presenting to you HF Deluxe guys. So as you can see what HF Deluxe is offering to us. As you can see, it's the new logo guys. It's a 3D logo. As you can see, it's the bulb light guys. Still it's offering this bulb guys. No DRLs, LEDs. As you can see, it's a Hero logo over here. It's the tank guys. It says here says power start. Here it is saying HF Deluxe i3S. Going to the back, it's the still bulb light guys. It's the indicators as it's in the bulb 2. As you can see, it's the silencer guys. As you can see. So guys, as you can see here, the engine bay guys, it's the 103cc engine, power produces 8.2 PS at the 8000 RPM. So guys, this Hero's HF Deluxe weighs around 112 grams guys, 12 kilograms I'm sorry. So as you can see here, the total structure, it's all made for budget people guys, who are those who are looking for the budget range bikes, who can't afford a bike for themselves. As you can see, it's a beautiful all finishes guys. As you can see, it's the red and silver graphics. As you can see, here's the Hero logo. It's the bumper of the bike. As you can see here, the console guys, it's offering the engine speed, the key, turning, and the engine full and empty, and the side stand guide also. As you can see here, the finishing is good. As you can see, it's the turning lights, it's the passing switch, it's the horn, it's the engine kill switch guys, it's the starter. As you can see here, let me show you the silencer sound too. Let me on the engine. So guys, you have heard that. Nice finishing over there. As you can see. So guys, I forgot this. It also having this sari guard, which is so important. And here is the foot pedals. As you can see, it's the side stand over here. The beautiful finish. As you can see, in the budget range, you are getting this beautiful vehicle in the budget only. As you can see, it's the radium right here. It's the reflector. As you can see guys, you are getting these drum brakes with the spokes. The i3 is written over here, Power Star written over here. So much of branding. As you can see. So this HF Deluxe is offering this long seat. It's the 805 mm guys. It's just very big, very long, very comfortable. As you can see, a great cushioning right over here, and the grab grills, the strong grab grills they are providing to us. It just feels very good actually. The smooth finishing guys that I am liking in this bike. It's just a budget bike, but to the finishing, they have done a very good job. So guys, company is giving us just the drum brakes. As you can see here, I think HF Deluxe should give the one disc at least in the front guys. But as you can see, you are just getting this two drum brakes, front and the back. As you can see, here is the brake, foot pedals. As you can see, all over the design is very good, guys. Actually, I gonna appreciate. I'm very impressed actually with this work. The entire bike looks very marvelous, guys, in the design and the graphics too. So guys, this HF Deluxe has the 10-liter tank, guys. As you can see here, I'm showing you. So company is claiming that it can be gone up to 84 kilometers per liter. As you can see here, the tank. HF Deluxe is offering this Blaze tires, guys. So guys, this HF Deluxe price is in X showroom is 60,000, guys. In on road price, it will charge up to 72,000 approximately. So as you can see, this bike they are offering in the 72,000, guys. So guys, HF Deluxe is offering 5 colors. As you can see, it's the red with me. HF Deluxe also offers the heroic grey with green, black with heroic grey, candy blazing red, black with red, and leaf green. So this we are seeing it is the red color version, guys. As you can see, amazing finish, guys. Amazing finish for a budget bike. Look at the tires, all finishing, as you can see here. Actually, Hero is doing a lot good job in these years. In 5 years, I have seen a lot of bikes which is offering a good bikes, as you can see, for the middle class people. So guys, this was the HF Deluxe, guys, BS6 version. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel.